Every second, millions of bottles are filled, sealed, and shipped, powering a global obsession.
This simple bottle connects nearly every human on Earth. Behind the scenes, precision never sleeps. Everything begins at the source.
Nature supplies, industry preserves.
From source to system, nothing is left exposed. Purity is engineered, layer by layer. Only molecules small enough continue forward.
Light becomes the final safeguard.
Taste is science, not chance. Every bottle starts as a simple form. Heat prepares the transformation. Form follows pressure.
Stability ensures consistency.
Nothing enters unclean. Precision at scale. Sealed for safety.
Machines watch every detail.
Human judgment still matters. Identity is applied.
Traceability ensures trust.
Prepared for movement. Order at massive scale.
Logistics begins here.
Distribution never stops.
Across oceans, the journey continues. From factory to doorstep.
Ready for purchase.
A choice made millions of times.
Fuel for performance. In crisis, water becomes lifeline. The cycle continues. A $300 billion system, flowing endlessly. Demand never rests. One bottle, countless steps. Industry meets everyday life. Water moves the world.